command line interface, or a CLI, is a non-graphical text-based interface that allows you to communicate with your computer system. You might be familiar with managing your files on your computer with something like File Explorer, which is considered more of a graphical user interface or a GUI. With the CLI, the user can do similar file management, but the commands are going to be typed in the terminal. And there's lots more CLI commands that you can do that beyond just file management. But for this video, we're just going to cover a few of the basic file management commands and how to get around. I've opened this PowerShell window by clicking on the Windows icon and just typing in PowerShell and opening it right there. Notice we have a prompt that comes up right here, and it's on the C drive and in the users folder and the magic folder. So it would be similar for me maybe to go into this PC's hard drive, into users, and into the magic folder. So that's kind of where it starts off. The PW command is going to show you your current folder, which we can see already on the prompt there. The ls command, and by the way, I'm hitting enter after each one of these to actually run the command. And the ls command shows a list of all of the files and folders that are inside of that magic area, that magic folder. And we can also change where we're going with there. So for example, if I wanted to go into my documents here, I would double click on documents and it would show what's in there. To get into the documents folder with a command line, you would do what is called a change directory or CD documents and hit enter, and it will change to the documents folder. Again, to see what's inside there, you would do an ls enter, and then it would look similar to the files and folders that you have here. I can go even deeper in there and change directories again to the BYUI and do an ls command to show what's inside there. Just like if I clicked here, I could see that one. So you can get around with the CD folder name, and then to go back in the graphical user interface, I would hit the back button. To go back in a command line, I would do CD ... and that's going to take me back one level. And again, I could go back again and CD ... back again, and we'd be back at that level again. I'm going to do an ls. You can see again what's in there. A few helpful commands is then autocomplete using the tab button. So for example, if I was going to change directories and I started typing just DO, it might not know if I'm in documents or downloads. So let's try DOC. But at that point, if I tab, it's going to guess which one I wanted. Documents. It's typed a little different, but it's going to do the same thing. It's going to change me to the document directory. Also, the up arrow, you can click it again and again and go through previous commands that you've typed in. So in case you don't want to have to retype a longer command or something, you can use that up and down arrow to kind of go through those different commands. So there we have a few different file management things that you can do on the command line interface.